Hello student, here your Naba ma'am is back with the explanation of chapter 3. I hope you all have seen my first video on Roman numerals. Please student, do practice all the possible questions from chapter 2, and if you find any difficulty, write in comment section. I will try to solve all your queries. So let's start chapter 3. The name of chapter 3 is large numbers. Students, number play very important role in our day-to-day life, and place value system help us to recognize large numbers. In class 4th, you have already studied up to 7-digit numbers, and you know that the largest 7-digit number is 99,99,999. On adding 1 to 99,99,999, we get 1 crore. Dear student, 1 crore means 1 with 7 zeros. Here we deal with the numbers having more than 7 digits. In this chapter, I will discuss about place value system. There are two types of place value system: Indian place value system and international place value system. Let's start the first one, Indian place value system. Indian place value system basically used in India. The one very important thing you all must know is how many periods and places are there in Indian as well as international place value system. First, I am going to explain the Indian place value system. Here you can see in this picture, there are 4 periods in Indian place value system. If you start counting from the right to left, there are 3 places in ones period, 2 places in thousands period, 2 places in lakhs period, and 2 places in crore period. First place in ones period is ones, another one is tens, another one is 100. So 3 places in ones period, ones, tens and 100, 1000 and 10,000 in thousand period, lakhs, 10 lakhs in lakhs period, and crore, 10 crore in crore period. So in Indian place value system, 9 places are grouped into 4 periods. These periods from right to left are ones, thousands, lakhs and crore. There are 3 places in ones period, that is ones, tens and 100. There are 2 places in thousands period, that is 1000 and 10,000. There are 2 places in lakhs period, lakhs and 10 lakhs. And there are 2 places in crore period, that is crores and 10 crore. Let's consider one example. Here I have taken one large number, that is 183,672,123. Let's start counting the number from the very right side and see this table carefully. So the most number on the most right side is 3. 3 is at ones place, 2 is at tens place, 1 is at 100 place, 2 is at 1000 place, 7 10,000, 6 at lakhs, 3 10 lakh, 8 crore and 1 is at 10 crore place. So how you are going to read this number? The number and the period: 18 crore 36 lakhs 72,123. And in the same way you are going to write this number in number names: 18 crore 36 lakhs 72,123. And the next very important thing, how you are going to insert comma according to Indian place value system. So one very important rule you all must know or remember is comma is inserted after each period. So first comma is after ones period, second comma is after thousand period, third comma is after lakhs period. In this way you are going to put the comma according to the Indian place value system. I hope Indian place value system is clear to you. Take another example, another large number. Follow this table and try to write their number and number name according to the Indian place value system. One very important thing about 0. 0 may stand for nothing, But in this condition, it does not mean you just leave them out like this. They keep other digit in the correct places. So 0 will be at their places. Don't neglect or avoid the 0. It should be there at their places. So let's start the second topic, that is international place value system. Here the first picture is about the comparison between the Indian and international place value system. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000, 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million, 1 crore is equal to 10 millions, and 10 crore is equal to 100 millions. This thing we will discuss when we'll compare the Indian and international place value system. Here the second picture or table is all about the place value. You all must learn how to write the place value of each digit in any large number. So here in this table you can see 3,287,263. How you are going to write the place value of each digit? Start from the very right side. 3 is at 1's place, so 3 multiplied by 1, it means 3. 6 is at 10's place, so 6 multiplied by 10 is equal to 60. 2 is at 100 place, so 2 multiplied by 100 and it is equal to 200. Like this, take the number, multiply with their places, and you are able to write the place value of each digit. In international place value system, there are 3 periods, that is ones, thousands and million. And if you are starting from the right side to the left, 3 places are there in each period. It means 3 places in ones period, 3 places in thousands period, and 3 places in millions period. Let's consider one example. I have taken the same example here, that is 183,672,123. Now let's write in this table. 3 is at 1's place, 2 is at 10's place, 1 is at 100 place, 2 is at 1000 place, 7 10,000, 6 100,000, 3 million, 8 10 million, and 1 100 million. Okay, so the rule for comma is same. Insert the comma after each period. So after ones there will be a comma, after 1000 there will be a comma. Okay, so how you are going to read this number and the period. 183,672,123. Like this, you take any other number, follow this table, put the value in this table, and try to put commas and write their number names according to the international place value system. Now here the comparison between the Indian and international place value system. There is no such comparison. The only one difference between Indian and international place value system is placement of commas. It means in Indian place value system, the first comma is after 3 digits and the rest commas are after 2 digits. But in international place value system, commas will be inserted after 3 digits. Okay. So I told you that I will explain how 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. So 1 lakh means 1 with 5 zeros and 100,000 means 1 with 5 zeros. Both have the same value. Like 10 lakh is equal to million, 1 crore is equal to 10 millions, and 10 crore is equal to 100 million. Now this is your home assignment. This is a warm-up exercise for you. Try to solve as many questions as you can. You can take number from newspaper, from anywhere, the old maths book, the new book if you have. You can consider these questions, and what you have to do, rewrite the following numerals with proper commas using the Indian and international place value system. So you have to put the commas according to both the systems and write their number names. Try to write their number names. Okay, in the second question, write the number names of the following. So recognize with the help of commas that it belongs to Indian or international place value system and write their number names. Thank you, student. Try to solve as many questions as you can. Good luck.